2.2008 Chevrolet Avalanche Crew Cab. This vehicle features the following equipment, not specified: 8-sill, 2WD anti-theft device S, dual airbags, auto express down window, child safety locks, multi-function steering wheel, airbag deactivation, air conditioning, vanity mirrors, side and pack door beams, vehicle stability assist, tire pressure monitor, EBD electronic brake disc, power steering, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, cruise control, compass, bed liner, running boards, adjustable headrests, tonneau cover, heated outside mirror S, privacy glass, power mirrors, auto headlight delay, daytime running lights, rear wheel drive, trailer wiring, rear window defroster, reading light S, power outlet S, outside temperature gauge, door pocket S, trailer towing hitch, power,